Why do microwave ovens have this mesh on the door? It's so we can see our food inside. But wouldn't that mean microwaves can leak through the holes?
Well, yes, but there's nothing to worry about. Here's why.
Microwave ovens operate at a frequency of 2.45 GHz, which corresponds to a wavelength of about 12 centimeters. The holes in the mesh are only about 1 millimeter across, which is much smaller than the wavelength, so microwaves can't just pass straight through. Instead, the waves create an alternating current along the rim of each hole. These rim currents then radiate microwaves back into the oven, but also on the other side. Because the holes are very small, the rim currents are very weak.
According to Bethe's small aperture theory, the power of the microwave radiation depended on the fourth power of the diameter of the hole. This means the amount of radiation that leaks is very weak.
Now, what does this look like in numbers? This microwave outputs 1000 watts of power, but not all of it hits the door at the same time. If we measure the dimensions of the oven cavity and calculate how many incident power hits the door, we get about 140 watts. Now, we need to count how many holes there are to get the amount of leakage, but there's just way too many holes to count.
There's no way I'm counting that, but we can use this formula as a trick.
Measure the width, height, and the spacing between the center of each hole, and we get about 18,000 holes. Now use that to calculate the power hitting each hole, plug into Bette's formula to get the power going out of each hole, and we get about 0.34 nanowatts. Also, this power leakage spreads out as they travel through space.
If you compare that to the safety limit of 5 milliwatt per square centimeter, it is way below that. So even though a tiny bit of microwave radiation leaks, the amount that hits you is negligible.